if you're starting Pag-IBIG MP2 this January 2026, or you already have an existing account but want better returns, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share MP2 strategies to grow your money safely, even if starting small. Do check out these videos to learn more about MP1 and MP2. To give you an overview, Pag-IBIG MP2 is a voluntary savings program by the Pag-IBIG Fund with a lock-in period of 5 years. So, hindi nyo pwedeng i-pull out yung pera nyo within 5 years. It's government-backed, tax-free yung dividends, and historically higher yung returns versus regular savings. You can start with a contribution of at least 500 pesos only. And yes, pwede kayo magkaroon ng multiple MP2 accounts. Strategy number 1. Start early in the year and deposit lump sum. Starting MP2 in January is highly recommended for one reason. Time. Mas matagal naka-invest yung pera nyo within the year. So it gives higher potential dividends versus starting mid-year. On this video, I discussed in detail kung bakit mas mataas ang makukuha yung dividends pag nag-invest kayo earlier in the year versus mid-year or later in the year. Ang MP2 hindi required na maghulog ng money monthly. So ano nga bang better, lump sum or monthly? If you're employed or have steady income, pwede kayo maghulog monthly. For example, 3,000 or 5,000 per month. This is perfect if you want discipline and consistency. If you receive bonuses, for example, 13th month pay or business income, deposit it early in the year. Money stays invested longer. Kahit partial lump sum, for example, 50,000 pesos in January, already gives you an advantage. Best approach, hybrid. Mag-invest pa din kayo monthly, but your largest amount should be invested in January or earlier in the year. And then, by the end of the year or late within the year, kahit pa konti-konti na lang yung monthly contribution nyo. Then, my strategy number 2 is multiple MP2 accounts. Okay, here's something a lot of people don't know. Like I mentioned earlier, pwede kayo gumawa ng multiple MP2 accounts. Why do this? Because each MP2 account has its own goal and maturity. For example, you open your first MP2 account. That would be for long-term or retirement. Next is you open another one, pang travel fund nyo naman. And then the third would be for business capital, for example. This keeps your money organized and mentally easier to manage. Pwede kayo mag-open ng up to 5 accounts. Ito yung tip ko. Since each account matures every 5 years, open one account every year. For example, January 2026, nag-open ka ng account. It will mature on 2031. Next year, January 2027, mag-open ulit kayo ng additional account. It will mature on 2032. On 2028, mag-open ka ulit ng account. It will mature on 2033. And so on. Once naka-claim ka na in 2031, mag-open ka ulit that year. So after 5 years, meron ulit magmamature na pera. So starting 2031, you will be able to claim your funds yearly. Ito lang, common MP2 mistakes to avoid. Starting late in the year. Again, you should always start in January of the year. Stopping contributions completely. Sayang naman yung potential ng pag-grow ng money kung bigla nyo siyang isa-stop. Withdrawing early unless really necessary. Yes, possible mag-withdraw but there are conditions. Check out this video to learn more. Lastly, treating MP2 like a short-term investment. Again, your money will be invested for 5 years. So make sure na yung pera na ilalagay nyo dito is something na hindi nyo kakailanganin within 5 years. I hope this video helped you and you learned from these strategies. Stay tuned because I'm gonna make a video kung paano gumawa ng additional accounts in MP2 through online only. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!